I know. I'm not trying to shoot you.
Remember, once you're dead, head completely south to the jail.
Hey, go now. Go now. He's down. Oh, shoot. Oh, sorry, man. My bad. Green. Okay, yeah. I'm not even gonna fight you on that. Hit! Hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to 500 Airsoft, to a little bit of down pilot gameplay. Our goal as a green team is to make sure that the tan team does not get the pilot to Guam. The pilot right now is being held at Tyre, and that's why I'm running from Whiskey all the way to Tyre.
I'm assuming you're not playing? Alright, not yet. Alright, cool. Did not.
With my speed, I thought I was going to be quick enough to get there before the tan team, but sadly, I was not quick enough.
Hit! Good shot!
Tan team got there before we did. Now, after the tan team grabbed their pilot, they left Tyre and moved all the way back to their spawn, which was at Hut. And after they left that area, it was open for the green team to come back and build their defenses from there. I have one person moving down the trail on my right, and he also has a buddy.
Hey, what's it looking like? What's it look like down there? I'm coming. I got you. On your left. He's down. Anybody to your right?
So now that my teammates have set up a perimeter on the outside,
I'm gonna try to get into the building over here.
I can move behind them and try to get into this building. I'm being very careful to make sure that there's nobody actually in the building. I've learned my lesson a couple times. Well, that fall was a little dramatized, don't you think? Now I'm pieing this corner a little bit just so that I can have a little bit better reaction time.
He's down, he's down.
And that my body isn't showing as much for as long.
I see him.
I got the guy to my left, and now I see somebody at this far gray barrier on the left of the screen.
I see him. Hey, to your right, look to your right.
But as I'm doing this, I have
That's
somebody
a small barricade.
That's on our team working their way down the right trail. And he's able to safety kill him. 2 people, actually. Good job. Now, I'd like to explain that Hut FOB was the other team's spawn. However, I was not shooting the people that were actually in Hut FOB.
We're not trying to spawn camp them. We're not shooting at them while they're in their spawn.
I was only trying to shoot the people that were either leaving or shooting back at us.
Hey, right there. Look through that window. You see it? No. Pie more. Left. Keep.
Hey, at this building front of us, is that our teammate or not?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that's our teammate running across right there. That one there, yeah.
I'm at least trying to give them some chance to move, you know?
Don't shoot.
Yeah, you're good. Somebody get on the outside of that building on that side. You're right there.
It's never a good idea to have 5 people in one
just stay
spot.
right there so we can get a
so
position.
if you can try to disperse
wait
the
until
people
somebody,
around the
throws a
spot to
grenade or
get better
something.
coverage, then it's going to benefit
trying to
all
shoot
the
us.
players in that position.
Alright. Whoa, our BBs collided in midair. No joke.
Man, it's moments
saw
like
it.
those where I wish I had HD quality.
Reloading. Hey, cover this window.
Now, this is another positive of having a lot
He's
of people
at the far,
same
chemical
spot,
barrel.
is that you can have somebody fill in for
Oh,
your
I see him.
spot
I see a guy.
and not miss
1 sec.
a shot.
Hey, look that way.
Okay.
Just past the little gray barrier that somebody safety killed. He's
One here. There's one over by the Going back.
really, brother. Don't try to shoot in their spawn. All right.
Spawn down there?
Yeah. Give them a chance to at least come out.
There's one on the back
If they
side.
start shooting us, then you can shoot at them. Okay. Yeah.
Down. Got him?
You got him. All right.
There's another one. See him? Blue, tall tree, blue barrel, farther back.
All right. Don't shoot the guy. Don't shoot the guy. I see him. I see him. They're back there. He's down. Is he down?
He's gone or
No way. I know who he's shooting at. Oh.
Hit.
Now with more people down,
Hey,
we
are
have
you
to
covering that way?
improvise.
All right. Make sure because sometimes they sneak up on this trail. All right. Yeah. Like straight down where you are.
When one member is down, you have to improvise and you have to think quickly about repositioning people to get better coverage.
All right. I see him. Should we be going to Guam? Because it seems like all of them are going to Guam. It's that way. So, yeah, if you guys go, I'll try to cover. All right? All right.
Anyone knows it's gone because
Yeah, it's left. It's all the way left.
yeah, far forward.
It's like where HUD is, except on the opposite side of the field. All right, guys, go. If you're going to go, run. And go up higher towards Echo.
Falling back farther,
Alright.
this gives more distance between the enemies and us,
See
that
him?
we can easily fall back without
He's behind
getting hit.
that tree, just past that.
Yeah.
Woo! I heard the BBs. Hi, guys. How you doing?
Anyways, I leave that hut, but then I realize that that's a valuable asset that we have to have because it covers the left side of the trail, which can easily be captured by the other team. That's why I ran back there as soon as I realized I made a mistake. Now, I demonstrate something really important here, is that there are 3 different windows and 3 angles of position here. And because I've been shooting out of this angle the most of the time, I need to alternate between all of those locations to ensure that the enemy doesn't get locked in on one spot.
Oh, buddy. Dude, I saw that hit your. All right.
But sometimes defenses don't last for as long as you want them to. So eventually someone gets a really good angle on me, and
Hit. Good shot. Hit. Good shot. Good shot, man.
very impressive shot by the other team. After regrouping with our forces
Getting
down at
low.
Guam that were defending, I realized that they had that spot locked down. So I came back up to Echo to help the forces up there.
It sounds like.
So, yeah, that's good movement. This is horrible movement. I'm going straight down the
He
trail.
was smart and got behind a tree. I was not
Oh.
smart and went straight down a trail with no cover.
I see him. Why am
Also with a high cap that would not wind.
Hey, look that way, towards Echo, or the other hut. That hut. Yeah, straight ahead of you. Why isn't this working?
So at this point, Tan forces have pushed up all the way up to Echo, and they're starting to create a boundary wall around there. But we are coming back, and we've pushed back down.
Where is he?
So now
He's
I know
down?
that there's an enemy
He's
that
down?
is in the building to my right.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So I need to be extra cautious because I have enemies in front of me, enemies to the right of me. Oh, yeah, and I have no cover.
Has he hit? He's down. Good job. Good hit, man. I see him. I just can't hit him.
Ah, the perils of
Jeez.
playing in a forest.
My high caps do not like me.
Or maybe it's you don't like your high caps. Hashtag
I see
high
'em.
caps have feelings too.
Hey, one, the guy in the hut. One guy in the hut over here. Yeah, there's one guy in there.
So because I know that there's a guy in the
There's
in
one
that
guy in the
building,
hut over here.
what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get in his blind spot, meaning I'm gonna try to move right where he can't see me out of any of the windows.
Yep, I got you. I got you looking left. I got you looking left. You're good. Is that guy hit? My bad. Hey, there's one guy coming into the hut over here. There's one guy coming into the hut.
But just because I'm in the
Safety
blind
zone.
spot of the person that's in the building or the hut doesn't mean that I'm out of the blind
I
spot
know.
of the other people around it.
Hey, you got green over here, guys. Green. Yep, green.
So right when I stand up to go and try to get into that building, I get shot by the enemies.
Hit. Good shot.
Anyways, hopefully I'll have some more video coming out soon. I'm going down to Soga Airsoft pretty soon, so hopefully I can get some CQB action. Anyways, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.